Made a mistake on a deposit you recorded? You can't just delete it once it's linked to payments, but you can void it to correct your books properly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Find the deposit by going to the Banking menu and selecting Bank Transactions, or find it in the Sales or Accounting transaction lists. Open the deposit. If it's just a data entry error with no connected payments, you might see a Delete option. However, if it includes customer payments, you must void it. This reverses the transaction while keeping a record for your audit trail. My crucial pro tip? Create a new, correct deposit instead of editing. It's often cleaner to void the entire incorrect deposit and then create a brand new one with the right details. This avoids confusion and ensures your bank reconciliation stays on track. Correct mistakes cleanly and maintain a clear audit trail. What's the most common deposit error you've had to fix? For more guides on cleaning up your books, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.